Oh my word, what are they? What have you got there, Emanoel?
Diamonds.
Diamonds. Are they diamonds?
Blue football diamonds.
Blue football diamonds. They are build your own den. And we are going for a rocket. Seeing as we are having a rocket week. Okay, we have all the bits out. And it's going to be fun. Emmanuel started already. He's racing ahead with the building. Do you like building, Emmanuel? What are you building, sweetheart?
A rocket.
We're building a rocket. There we go. Show us the square that you've built so far.
Here it is.
Fantastic. Look at that square. Okay. Emmanuel, how are you getting on?
If we turn it around,
Yeah.
I got a diamond too.
Yeah.
If you turn it around. Oh! Yeah, that!
A diamond. You're so clever.
And if I do it again, it's nice.
Back to being a square. Wonderful. Rocket building has turned into weightlifting. Wonderful. Wow, they look really heavy, guys. They could be drumsticks as well, I guess.
Get the bum, bum,
Bum, bum,
bum.
bum, bum.
Bum.
No, whoa! Yeah, crikey. Everything but a rocket. Let's keep going. Being attacked by space-flying boulders. But do you know what rocks that fly around in space are called?
Yeah.
What?
Boulders.
No, asteroids.
Boulders.
Emmanuel is doing a good job on the trying to help front. Mummy is showing her complete lack of
And I am
building
trying.
skills for the second time today.
And I am trying to knock this tower down.
Right. Ah. Here we go. Shall I pack it all away?
No.
Right then. Excuse us, guys. You cannot be showing this kind of behaviour to other boys and girls. Their mummies and daddies will not let you watch your channel.
Mom, do this.
Say sorry.
Show it, Johnny.
Say sorry.
Show it.
Jaime, say sorry, please. You're going to lose audience. You're going to lose viewers. You're going to lose friends. What are you doing?
There. Oh.
Frustration, Emmanuel.
There.
Wow. Look at that face of sheer happiness. You're happy when you're building, aren't you, Emmanuel?
Yeah.
Yeah. You love building, don't you? Hey?
Keep falling.
It's because your base isn't strong enough yet. Right. Ah! Right, okay, we have progress. Emmanuel's in already. Charlie's trying to squeeze in. You're going to have to hug. You're going to have to hug each other in this rocket. Ah, look at that. One rocket ship well on its way.
It's the same height.
Hey, okay, excitement. Why, guys? What is it?
Jumping. And I got our rocket ship.
Is your rocket ship done?
Yeah.
Let's have a look then. Ta-da! We have one very tall
Rocket
rocket
ship.
ship.
I'm jumping and vomit. I'm jumping and vomit.
And one astronaut in the rocket ship.
Right of me.
Just about. Yeah, we just need the nose. That's all that's left now. We just need... Yeah. You could be the nose. We'll keep going. We'll finish it off.
Hi, kids. Hi, friends. Watch me jump to side to side.
Bed bouncing. Okay, we're going back because what did you want, Emmanuel? You want the blanket on the rocket ship. Whoa, the whole rocket's moving. Okay, we're gonna measure how tall our rocket is before we close up the side and it gets so dark that you can't even. Okay. Yep, you take the tape measure.
Okay.
I'm going to hold it at the top. You're going to go all the way down to the floor with it.
No, make it down.
Whoop. Uh-oh, we've lost our base. Uh-oh.
There.
There. Okay, hold it there, baby. I'm coming. Oh, no. Oh, Jaime, back up. You need to hold it there, okay? Perfect, right? We're holding it. Hang on, down a little bit. Okay, just there, Jaime. You hold that.
Okay.
I'm going down to the bottom to help Emanoel. Here we are because we need... Oh, it's a bit dark in here for Frog. It is 132 centimetres. That is 1 metre, 32 centimetres. 132 centimetres
down.
for our rocket.
Now let's close the light.
Now we're going to close the door. And blast off. Turned into meltdown. Oh no. We lost the base. Jaime tried to help. Emanoel tried to help. But we lost the bottom bit. And it all went crashing down.
Please like this video and subscribe.
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 Wave.
Bye.
Bye.